This week's application spotlight. Today we're going to be looking at this Inngest software. So if you've ever used things like step functions on Amazon, or there's a lot of like durable function software coming out nowadays. This is just one of them, but it's one that's kind of popped up on my radar the past couple weeks. So I wanted to see, how easy is it to provision as an Nanos Unikernel. So yeah, let's check it out. Short of the story is I've already made this. I did this yesterday. I made it. The dev server that they give you is Go, so that makes it like super easy. And then really the time I spent more time figuring out was trying to figure out how to have a function and an app server actually check in to the dev server. So I wanted to show you that. We're going to use this bun example that's written in TypeScript. So index.ts, it's really, really basic. Basically just listens port 3000, registers as API ingest, and it's off to the races. We use this example, and then we just kind of, there's a few op specific things to build this example, but it's pretty basic. So let's try it out. We're gonna pop in here. We're going to start the server. I'm using AMD 64. Do whatever you want. I'm gonna grab the IP. It's 68.224. Pop back over here. Before we open this up, let me show you the config that I'm gonna pass it. So this is the config. The env. I don't know if you're really supposed to set the event key and the signing key for dev. I read that you don't need it. On prod, obviously, this is something that you'll need. We also set dev, and then so the ingest base URL, this is what we need to adjust here, because it's 224, right? Does that look right? And then we're gonna load up node modules, ingest folders. We're gonna say index.ts and these other files that we have to load on the system, right? All right, so now let's go ahead and hopefully we can pop this open. Let me API ingest. So that's the path that we're actually going to register. So we're going to open that up, and then we're going to go back over here, and we're going to what port is it? 8224, or it's 82. Yeah, what port is it? 8288. All right. 8288. 8288. Okay, so we got the port correct. Let's go to apps. Now we got to register this guy. And so we do sync new app, HTTP, blah, blah, blah. And this guy is listening on 3000. And it's the API ingest. I believe this will do it. We'll do sync app, and it's registered. So we got one function registered. Now we can kind of like send it tests and stuff, user name, like Bob or something like this. Anyways, so that's it's pretty basic. It's kind of a cool little replacement if you wanted to do like your own step functions or your own, persistent durable functions. And it's kind of cool that both the server side and then also your kind of app side can both be ran as unikernels, and you can kind of deploy them wherever the hell you want. So that's the quick little thing on this week's app spotlight, running Inngest as a unikernel. Till next time.